Hello, my name is Atharva and today I'm going to show how to simulate a simple RC function in encryption and RC5 encryption and decryption in Verilog and VHDL. So this is our encryption file. As we can see, we have taken a 64-bit input and divided into 232-bit inputs and passed them through A register and B register. Here we have similarly the same. As you can see, this is for the decryption. Now getting into the code for encoding, we have defined a module where we have a clock and a reset and input data and output data. We have taken two registers, A and B registers, to load the input data. This is the ASCII ROM. This is used for encrypting the RC5 encryptor. This is hard coded values for now, and hence this using the ROM we encrypt the input data. Here we have done the operation A XOR A register or B register. So using the B register, we have then we have rotated A. We have left shifted A to A XOR. We have left shifted A using B. As you can see, for every value we have shifted, and then we have encrypted using the ROM. This encrypted value is the final MSB encryption. This MSB encryption is stored in A, which is then used to rotate B, and then we get the encryption for B module. This is the combinational circuit of the RC5 encoder. Now we are giving it positive clock and reset logic in this. As we can see here, for every step, we need to give and this is the counter which counts from 1 to 12. For every 12 steps, we take the D out, which is the concatenation of A and B. Similarly, for the decoder, as we do just the opposite steps. And in here, as you can see, we have again defined the ROM. Then we have decrypted B using the hard-coded ASCII ROM. The B ROM is then as we have left shifted in encoding, we right shift in decoder, and the similar steps are executed. Here, as you can see, for every 12 cycles we reset and store the data in the registers to give us the output. And just a brief look at the schematics. As we can see here, in VHDL, 2 mux are used for rotation, and if we zoom in, we can see the counter being the counter which is created using the D flip-flops. Thank you.